Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. Today I'm going to show you a trick around drilling and not going too far. So I was recently building some cabinets and I needed to drill a pilot hole through this board and into this board, but I didn't want it to go all the way through. So a simple trick is when I put the drill bit into the drill, I'm going to set the depth to like right here so it doesn't go any farther, like it doesn't go through that board, because I do not want it to go through this board right here. I want it to go to about right here into that board, because this is just a pilot hole for a screw. And obviously on cabinets you don't want the screw to go all the way through the face. So let me show you. When I put the drill bit into the drill, usually you just stick it in the drill, give yourself some length and drill the hole. Well, you don't want to do that. Like I just said, we don't want to go all the way through both boards. We just want to go through one. If I stand the boards on the side, up on end, I can put my drill right there, and you can see, now that's not going to go all the way through, but it's pretty close. So let's adjust that a little bit. And let's bring that drill bit into the drill a little bit there. All right. So now let's test that. So now my drill bit would, the deepest I can go with this hole is just into this wood. So it would go through the first one, touch the second one, so you do have the pilot hole in there. And there you go. So that's where I would drill the hole. Now if you drill the hole, you can drill as far as you want, as far as you can. And it does not come through the face. And there you go. So you got the hole all the way through the first board and the pilot hole in the second board, but it didn't go all the way through. So that's exactly what we want. Well, then you say, well, wait a minute, because my drill bit, you know, that's all well and good, but my drill bit doesn't go any deeper into the drill. Like, this is as far as it'll go and it's still too long. Well, there's a little trick for that too. It's not as accurate, but what you do is you figure out how deep you need to go, like back here, right? And then you can either take a rubber band or a piece of masking tape. You put the rubber band or the masking tape on the drill bit right where you need to be, just like that, right? And then you wrap that around real good, and you can do it better than I did it, but you get the idea. Now when you drill, only drill to the masking tape. And there you go. So now you got the hole all the way through. You got your pilot hole, and it didn't go all the way through. So there you go, guys. Well, this is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.